Yo, as y'all can see, we have that exclusive box. Tag read on here. Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG. Colorway on this is black, metallic, silver. It's an 8.5 in women's. These are $275. He want $275 for these. Ooh. Y'all see them joints. Oh, if I can get them out, y'all can see them a little better. But yes, sir. Y'all see them joints in hand. These definitely shining bright with this light on. But here y'all go, man. Early look. Let me see. Pull this out. Check how this leather feel. This actually don't feel bad. It feels good actually. I thought this was gonna be like a little stiffer. It actually feels good. Nice little soft leather around the toe box as well. Soft and plush. Side panel. That's them Super Bowl joints right there. Side panel feel nice. You said $275 for these? $275 for these early game. Got that black toe color blocking. Tongue leading up. Black patch with the white Nike Air. Insole of the shoe. All black. You got a satin sock liner. Flat black laces. You have the spare pair of sparkly silver laces that go with these. Oh yeah, I need to see those 5. Them boys nice. Yeah, these joints is way better than I thought they would be. Of course, you have that embossed Air Jordan wing logo right here. Black and silver. Silver on the upper and bottom heel color, as y'all can see. All black outsole. Midsole is all white. None of that summit white or sail or nothing like that. Back of them. The other pair, they go to stamp. Yeah, man, $275 early. That's the lowest I seen. I think the highest, I think I've been seeing them for like 3 something. So y'all go on here. I put his Facebook up in the video so y'all can hit him up. Get y'all an early pair of these. Y'all already know. And y'all know what to do, man. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content and share the video. Friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, early look, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Get me out this jam.